Hello students, how are you? Students, yesterday I explained second part of the lesson, and in that part I was telling you that after doing hard work, Evelyn Glennie received most of the top awards in the field of music. Now I am going to explain next part of it. Now listen. And for all this, Evelyn would not accept any hint of heroic achievement. Even after winning most of the top awards, Evelyn does not consider it any heroic achievement, and she does not have any pride in her ability. If you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. Evelyn tells Deborah Cowley during talking with him that if the person works hard and he knows his destination, he knows his aim, he knows his goal, he knows what he wants to become in future, and if he works hard for that, then he would get his destination. And she got right to the top, the world's most sought after multi-percussionist with a mastery of some 1,000 instruments and hectic international schedule. And Evelyn Glennie did that. Evelyn Glennie had an aim, had a goal, and she wanted to make music her career, and she wanted to make music her career, and she worked hard for this. And after doing that, she has become the master of playing thousands of musical instruments, and she has become the celebrity, and she has an hectic, busy international schedule. It is intriguing to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing, and it is very interesting and curious to watch Evelyn's function, because even after being deaf, Evelyn used to play musical instruments without any fault, and she is expert in identifying any minute sound played by musical instruments, and her performance is very good. In our 2-hour discussion, she never missed the word "men with bushy birds give me trouble," she laughed. It is not just watching the lips, it is the whole face, especially the eyes. During her discussion with the writer Deborah Cowley, he never missed a word. He told Deborah Cowley that men who have bushy beards and mustache create problem for her, because when they talk, it was difficult for Evelyn to identify what they are speaking, because Evelyn cannot see the movements of their lips because of their bushy birds, because their lips are covered with mustache and beards. That is why Evelyn cannot identify the words which they are speaking. Evelyn is further saying that she also identifies the world with the help of facial expression and eyes. She speaks flawlessly with a Scottish slang, and Evelyn speaks fluently with a Scottish accent. My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11, she says. Evelyn says that she is able to speak clearly because she could hear till she was 11. But that does not explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese. But Evelyn does not explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese, because when she lost her hearing power, before that day she only used to speak in Scottish language, but after becoming deaf she learned French and mastered basic Japanese. That is why it was very hard work. It was very laborious work for Evelyn Gray. As for music, she explains, it pours in through every part of my body. And for the music, Evelyn says that music is in her veins, and music is poured in through every part of her body. It tingles in the skin, and music tingles in her skin, her cheekbones, and even in her hair. And she is able to sense music through all parts of her body. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingering. And when she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound of passing up the stick into her fingers. Now students, I think you will have understood this meaning of this part of the lesson. Now I request you to read and write explanation, and tomorrow I will explain next part of it. Thank you and have a nice day.